Where are you guys? You're walking around, but you're not staying together. Come here, you. Okay, come here. There you go. Whoops. There's a little girl. No, that's... I don't know who that is. Gray boy. Oh, he's whimpering. What's the matter? Come here. And who's this? This is the little girl. Go with your brother. And this is the red boy. Come here. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I'll put this away. What's the matter? Okay, what's the matter? What? What's the matter? No, don't go under there. Let's get you around. I know you want to explore. Why don't you explore this way? Come on. You don't have to cry and walk at the same time. Come on. No. Here. Turn. No. Don't go under here. No. Who's whimpering? It's the little girl. No. You're the little girl. It's Red Boy. He's the wuss. Come on, Red Boy. What? Oh, he doesn't like... Oh, well. All right. Uh-oh, Mama's crying. All right.